APC. I bring you greetings from the All Progressives Grand Alliance, APGA. And I am here on a solidarity march. Solidarity march with my own brother, my friend, my brother, the Right Honorable Governor, who by the grace of God is Governor of Ebonyi till 2031. I am also here in solidarity with you because today you are endorsing the President and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of Nigeria for a second term, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu GCFR. I've come in solidarity because progressives are working together. Progressives are working together. It is time for progressives to unite. We are going to have our own day. APGA will soon be meeting and will make its own statement. And I believe thereafter, progressives all over Nigeria will be coming together under one umbrella to make sure that Bola Ahmed Tinubu continues the great job, the foundational structure that he is laying down for Nigeria. So I join you in solidarity on that, and to also say to Ndigbo, enough of the politics of lamentations. We must now move from the alliance for protests to alliance for progress, alliance partnership for prosperity for Ndigbo. Ofeka amara mgbe eke nkụkwa kama efi anyị ga-agbafela ọsọ anyị egbubeli ọdụ. We must now unite as Ndigbo, and we must not waste our votes again. We must not waste our votes again. Kana ụgbọ na-agaga ụgbọ ndị ọma, ụgbọ na-agaga ụgbọ ndị ọma, ụgbọ Tinubu, ụgbọ ndị ọma, ụgbọ na-agaga. Thank you very much and God bless you all.
Soludo is telling Ndigbo to vote for Tinubu so that Tinubu will become the president of Nigeria in 2027. Soludo, Tinubu that cannot give Nigerians security during his first tenure is the one that you are telling we Ndigbo to vote for Tinubu to go back to his second tenure. What is Tinubu going to do for Nigerians in his second tenure? Governor Alex Oti no go fit open him mouth talk this rubbish where Soludo talk. Alex Oti no go fit try am now. He no go try am. And that is why he remains the best governor in the southeast. Just look at what Soludo is saying, and those idiots there are busy clapping for him. If they clap for him finish, they not go fit go their farm, come back in peace. If they still go their farm, Fulani terrorists go kill them for their farm. Terrorists are terrorizing everywhere in Nigeria. Yet, you will see some shameless governors telling their people to vote for Tinubu to go back to second term. Soludo said that we should unite as Ndigbo and not waste our votes again. What Soludo mean there is that Ndigbo should unite and not vote for Peter Obi just like they did in 2023, because Ndigbo wasted their vote by voting for Peter Obi in 2023 and they lost that mandate. He said that Ndigbo should not waste their vote, and for that Ndigbo should vote for Tinubu. We all know that Soludo does not like Peter Obi. Since Peter Obi come out and say he won't become the president of Nigeria, Soludo have been fighting Peter Obi. We know now, you know hide. The problem of an Igbo man is an Igbo man. A Yoruba man cannot bring down an Igbo man. A Hausa man cannot bring down an Igbo man. A Fulani man cannot bring down an Igbo man. Nobody from any tribe and ethnic nationality in Nigeria can bring down an Igbo man. the only person that can bring down an Igbo man is an Igbo man. Have you ever seen any Yoruba governor speaking against Tinubu? No. The governor of Oyo State cannot speak against Tinubu, even as Fulani bandits and terrorists they slaughter the people of Oyo State. You can never see the governor of Oyo State speak against Tinubu. The governor of Oyo State knows that Tinubu is an incompetent president. He knows that Tinubu is a failure, but you will never see him speak against Tinubu. The governor of Kwara State, you will never see him speak against Tinubu, even as Fulani terrorists they slaughter their people for Kwara State. The whole governors in the whole Yoruba State, you will never see one of them speaking against Tinubu, their brother. When Buhari was in power and Fulani terrorists were terrorizing the whole states in northern Nigeria, no northern governor speak against Buhari. All of them still they support Buhari. But if you come to Igbo land, Peter Obi, our brother, he never become president. Oh, he is campaigning to become the president of Nigeria. But Southeast governors are not supporting their own brother, Peter Obi. When I tell you that the problem that we are having in Igbo land is our politicians, some people go think say na play. You are trying to instigate our youths against our governors. When we tell you that some Igbo people don't have sense, now those our politicians where they fight Peter Obi we they talk about. Some Igbo people na mumu. When we say that some Igbo people na mumu, some Igbo people are fools, animals. Other tribes they protect their own. Our own for Igbo land na to they condemn our own, to they destroy our own, to they speak against our own. Look at that idiot, Kenneth Okonkwo. They have left him behind. Peter Obi where you they defend when on a day for Labour Party. You come out from Labour Party, enter ADC. You started speaking against your own brother Peter Obi, dragging Peter Obi, trying to destroy Peter Obi, your own brother, because of politics. You are supposed to campaign by saying, Atiku will do this, Atiku will do that. This is what we want to achieve if we win the presidency. That is how to campaign. But instead, you know that Peter Obi is the topic of the day. Peter Obi now everybody they look up to become the president of Nigeria. And in order to trend, in order to stay on board, you started dragging your own brother Peter Obi to bring him down because of Atiku, a Fulani man, foolish man, Kenneth Okonkwo. That's why Kenneth Okonkwo and Soludo now the same personality they get. Two of them not like Peter Obi. Kenneth Okonkwo own be say, e no get sense. If you just give am money to fight Peter Obi, go collect money. Just give Kenneth Okonkwo money, tell am say, go and speak against this person, he go do. He get the same mindset of rain or mockery. Igbos are the problem of Igbos. If they speak against Yoruba, if they speak against Northerners, it go be like say we not get evil ones for our midst. Just look at the rubbish that Soludo is saying. Let's not waste our votes. The one where they vote for Peter Obi the last time, now waste the be. Peter Obi defeated Tinubu hands down. There's still the mandates. Now manipulation and still there's still Peter Obi mandates. Soludo, you want to become the president of Nigeria in the future. So in order for Yoruba people and Northerners to like you, you have to speak against your own brother, Peter Obi. Soludo, one thing you don't know is that we are waiting for you in that future to come and campaign in Igbo land, say, make Ndigbo support you, make you become the president of Nigeria. Now that time you gonna say, all this is where you do so. We carry am for mind, they wait for you for that future. We will campaign massively against you. You know what they call campaign massively. All this is where those animals in human form where you call security for Anambra State, where you create, they kill Anambra people. Now that time all those videos go start to the resurface. As your security agency for Anambra State, they kill Anambra people. Now that time your videos go they come out. You that cannot give Anambra people security. Now you want to become the president of Nigeria, and you want to give Ndigbo security. You can't give Anambra people, your own people security under your leadership. Now so stray bullets from your security personnel, they kill people. The other day, now pregnant woman, your security agencies kill with stray bullets. If una kill for main market, una go kill for Nkwo, una go kill for this one, una go kill for this one. That is how your security agencies are killing people. So you want to become the president of Nigeria. No worry, that time they come. You go know say the sin where you dey commit now for future you go speak against you, not be now. As you dey speak against Peter Obi, you no know say we carry am for our finger. As e dey for our finger, so e still dey for our hearts. We go use am against you. So don't think that speaking against your own brother Peter Obi will make Hausa, Fulani and Yoruba people to love you. You are just wasting your time, Soludo. Cover your face in shame. President Obi say under him leadership, people are dying all over the country. You call yourself a professor. Professor suppose dey speak facts. This your character show say being a professor does not make you a wise person. It does not make you an intelligent person. All those idiots when they speak against Nnamdi Kanu, you and them na best of friends. I know say as Nnamdi Kanu dey for prison, e dey sweet you Soludo, na saw you son Obi na saw you son Nnamdi Kanu na prison. If you like, go see Nnamdi Kanu for prison. Na eye service you dey do. We know your mind, Soludo. Soludo said that we Igbos should move for alliance for the prosperity of Ndigbo. The alliance he said there is that Ndigbo should align with Tinubu. Soludo, Ibuka John Madu. You think say as you dey talk all this thing, say we no go summarize the thing where you talk. Ndigbo should align with Tinubu, a Yoruba president that cannot provide security for Nigerians. Soludo, as e be say your children dey for obodo Igbo, you not know wetin a common Nigerian person dey pass through. If you Soludo wan go Abuja now, na plane you dey use, you no dey use motor. Your children dey for obodo Igbo, and if you get any of your pikin wey dey Nigeria here, if that your pikin dey go Lagos, na plane you dey use. If you dey go Abuja, na plane you dey use. You don't know what a common man is passing through. If poor man just occupy power, you go dey feel say he don arrive. We should form alliance with Tinubu. Say Tinubu wan release Nnamdi Kanu and be waiting. Let's form an alliance. Which alliance are we forming with Tinubu? Tinubu wey be say e dey give bandits and terrorists for northern Nigeria amnesty. Tinubu wey be say he dey see as they give bandits and terrorists amnesty for northern Nigeria. He not say no. Say these terrorists must be executed. Now that Tinubu you want make Ndigbo form alliance with. Nnamdi Kanu is in prison, and Igbo governors are in the southeast campaigning for Tinubu. Oh yagame. Igbo politicians are campaigning for Tinubu, and not fit talk say even if to say we be APC, say Tinubu you are not fair to we Igbo people. Southeast governors are supposed to be telling Tinubu to free their brother Nnamdi Kanu, telling him that he is giving amnesty and freedom to bandits and terrorists in northern Nigeria, integrating them back into the society. Why is our brother Nnamdi Kanu still in prison? That is what Southeast governors are supposed to be telling Tinubu, but because they be APC, they won't become Senate president in the future. They won't become speaker for Abuja. They won't become president of Nigeria. They aspire to occupy political position. All of them shut up their mouths. If I don't say we Igbos, we not get politician where they give we Igbos protection. Some people go think say na play. Igbo nation don't have politicians. All those people where they see when they call themselves politicians are just sample. Governor Soludo, you just there for that Anambra state. You are not representing Anambra people. You know they represent Anambra people. Instead of covering your face in shame that your brother Nnamdi Kanu is in prison, you there they campaign for Tinubu will lock up Nnamdi Kanu for prison. They not give Nnamdi Kanu 20 years or 10 years. They say life imprisonment. You are there campaigning for Tinubu. You don't have shame. The governor of Delta State, Governor Sheriff, he did that day for Arise News. They talk say his biggest project is to make sure that Tinubu go back to the presidency in 2027. Governor will not get direction. People are dying. There is hunger in the country. You did there. They campaign for Tinubu. Failed politicians everywhere. What thing Governor Sheriff they do? Now road. What is Governor Sheriff doing? For the past 4 years when he don't become the governor of Delta State, what thing they go to say, see what thing Governor Sheriff do? Now just road that they show. Road, flyover, that's all. How to know a failed politician, a politician where be say na only road and flyover they do, nothing more. Road where be say since the creation of Nigeria, now una don dey do the road. Up till now, una still dey do road. Una not go ever do road wey go last for 50 years. No. Work today, spoil tomorrow. Governor Sheriff dey there, dey disgrace himself. Governor Soludo dey there, dey disgrace himself. Why are we forming alliance with Tinubu? Wetin Tinubu wan do for we Igbos wey make Igbo politicians dey campaign for Tinubu? Which alliance una dey form with Tinubu? People wey no get shame. Alex Oti dey build Abia State. Soludo dey Anambra State. Dey create security agency wey dey kill Anambra people. Soludo problem na to make sure say Tinubu go back to presidency for 2027. Governor Soludo, cover your face in shame instead of demanding for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to be released. You dey that place dey campaign for Tinubu. Ishegwale.